Hey, what's up guys, this is Sohan and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager series, today I'm going to demonstrate how to import your Active Directory groups into the AD so that you don't have to create manual grouping into the SEPM console. Okay, although if you want you can use both the thing like your AD imported groups as well as the custom groups. And how exactly this can be done, so that is what we'll see in this particular video. But before I start this video, one small intro video. Hey, welcome back guys. Now as always, let's launch our SEPM console and enter our admin credentials. Okay, this is let's click on OK. This is the warning which we have set earlier in previous video. Okay, and once you logged into your SEPM console, simply click on clients, and here you will see by default if you right now click on your my company, then you will be able to add a group. Let's say I'm going to add one group called test. Okay, and this is how it's get added. Okay, if you want you can add another subgroup. To add the subgroup you will have to click the click on the primary group, and then you will have to click on add a group, so it will get added inside this. So this is how you will be able to manually create group. Okay, but if you go to the policy, you will see it's all gets inherited right with the parent group. So let me right now at this moment remove this inheritance. Okay, and now this is showing the inheritance of this particular test group. Okay, and this is off. So all the policy which I'm going to modify, it will be applicable to this and this group if I edited for this particular group. But this is just a normal our traditional custom group. But now let's see how exactly we can add or import AD group. But before I do that, let's go to the Active Directory. Okay guys, so this is my Active Directory server, and when I click on Active Directory, you will see here I have created one custom OU, okay, or manual OU. So in this particular OU, as you could see, I have again divided this into the two parts. One is server and second is workstation. Okay, workstation we have department called marketing. Inside that we have desktop and laptop group. Similarly, in the servers we have DC. Okay, here's my domain controller, the server on which we have logged in. Database server right now it's empty, and application server, which means our SEPM server itself. So this is this particular group we are going to import into our SEPM console. The benefits of this, okay, that is also I'll let you know what is the benefits once you integrated or added your AD groups into the SEPM, how exactly it will help you. So for that let's go back to our SEPM console. So guys, this is the SEPM console, and when you click on my company, here we have option import organization unit. Okay, so once you click on that particular option, here you have domains. Okay, so I have selected Technical Spark. In case you have multiple domains, then you will be able to see all the domains in here. Okay, and if you don't know how exactly you will be able to add the domains, then you can check out my part number 3 or 4th video. Okay, there I have already demonstrated that how exactly you can integrate with your Active Directory. Okay, and as I said, we'll import this particular group. So whichever group you would like to import into this particular SEPM console, you will have to select that group and then click on OK. Okay, it was very quick guys, right? So as soon as I click on OK, you will be able to see that this particular things is got added into this SEPM console. Now as soon as I start clicking on this group names, you will see that is server, whichever is present on the AD is showing offline here. Why? Because SEP agent is not installed on this machine. Okay, and this is our SEPM server. This is also showing offline because I don't have SEP agent installed on this server. And with the help of AD import, you will be able to monitor effectively that how many systems are present in your environment and how many of those servers or systems are protected from your or with your SEP agent. So whichever is showing offline, not scan, all the information is like this way, you will be able to recognize, okay, there is some issue. So you need to protect that machine, which means need to install the SEP agent. This much of smooth, these all options are here. The only thing is, in this particular, when you click on any of the AD group, you will not be able to create subgroups from your SAP console because this is managed by AD. But as soon as you will make changes into the Active Directory, all the changes will get reflected here. Okay, whether you have added another group or deleted any group, all the changes will get reflected here. Okay, so just whatever things you are doing, just make sure you are doing with proper care. However, in my test group, as you could see right now, add group option is not present, but as soon as I click on test, I got the option called add groups. Okay, so since, as you could see, the critical thing is none of the server or system is protected at this moment. So in next video, I'll cover how to create the SAP agent package. Okay, so that you will be able to get the better idea that how these things works. And to create the package, we also need to learn what are the things we have to select, because while creating the package, there are certain things which we have to consider. It's not like straightforward, just go ahead and click one of the option and the package will get created. There are certain things which will have to consider very carefully while creating the SAP package. Okay, so hopefully guys, in this particular video you have got a pretty much fair idea that how to import your AD groups into the SEPM. And with these things, we'll end this video here. And if you find this useful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.